Are solar panels a good idea? I get this question all the time. My clients call me to tell me they're thinking about installing solar panels and ask me how much value it'll add to my home. And my first question to them is, are you paying for the panels in full or are you leasing them? And then my second question is, how long do you plan to keep this home? So let's go back to the first question. I don't think that installing solar panels, it's a good idea if you're not going to pay for them up front, because the majority of the people who get solar panels lease them. Don't get me wrong, I love clean, renewable energy. However, if you're not planning on paying for the panels up front, then unfortunately it won't increase the value of your home. In fact, it will make it less desirable because now there is a $20,000 or $30,000 lease that's attached to the home for the life of the loan, which means that it must be assumable by the next homeowner when you sell the house. And not many people want that debt, because that's your debt. So assuming that your lease is an operating lease, the type where you truly own the panels after you're done paying them, I wouldn't call it an upgrade unless they're paid off, because at that point the home will be more energy efficient, which will make it more desirable. It is estimated that solar panels, when they are paid off, increases property values by between 4 and 5%. So on the median home in Phoenix, Arizona, that would be around $21,000. So that's a nice upgrade, not to mention the future savings that they bring. So unless you will either pay cash for the solar panels or lease them with the intention to keep the house for the next 20 years, I don't recommend them. What is your opinion on solar panels? Do you have them? Do you own them? Do you lease them? Do you like them? I like to know for my own research. So please comment below and share this video.